Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And for my returning gems, I love you guys so much. I have an unboxing for you, and it's Lurella Cosmetics for May 2022. I'm super excited. This makeup subscription has definitely, this is my second box with them, been amazing. Their shipping is fast. Granted, they're not as big as BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but they do have quality products that they make that are their own brand. So let me show you what I got. I got a regular type of box this month instead of the one that said Lurella Cosmetics on it. And they always give you a palette, which is super cool, some brushes, and some other things. So let me go ahead and grab the card in here. I believe this box is like $29.99, but I pay like $32 or something like that. I don't know if it's shipping, tax, whatever. But here's the May subscription box. This here is the front of the card. Now on here it tells me what the products are worth and the total box value. The total box value is $79. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. I went ahead and already took the brushes out of their plastic, and they feel pretty quality. So it comes in a case. It has the top as well. And let me just show you. This here looks like your foundation brush, and they feel pretty good. Like, they don't feel real cheap. Alright, then we have the angled, so contour, blush, that kind of thing. This one here is, it could be for multiple things. I like. Now, okay, we got our eye brushes. Or is this a lip brush? This one, oh, it could be an eye brush. Okay, we have our spoolie on one end, and we have the eyeliner like smudge kind of angled thing over here, and then we've got some blending brushes, and then of course we have this brush here, which reminds me of a mini round brush or the pencil type brushes. So you can use that for your eye, but you could probably use this as a lip brush too. So I'm really excited. I love getting brushes, then I don't have to wash my pile. You ever look at those brushes and you're like, oh man, I gotta wash all of them. Okay, so next item, let me tell you what where is it? Onyx Brush set, $28 value. Okay, and then look at the mirror. It's pretty heavy. Oh, that was very satisfying, taking that off. Oh, there's more than one. Is there? Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, I'm loving this. This is super cute. I do like the idea of getting makeup and makeup tools, you know, brushes, mirrors, things like that. So this is, it's small. It's cute though. All right, let me tell you the value. $5. Huh. Okay. At least they don't overprice their stuff either. Okay, then we are getting into, this is a liquid lip, I think. Yep, liquid lipstick. The value is $10. I don't know, should I open her? The shade is Fifi. Yeah, I might as well open her. Smells like cake. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to swatch her though because I have so many liquid lips, and I'm sure I can find someone that will like this. It's a decent color. You can always mix it with something else. They gave you lashes. Kaylee, I think, is the style. They're pretty. They're nice and thick. Let me see. $8 value. And then you have the Lash Applicator. And I actually like this Lash Applicator because it's not huge. You've seen the ones that I have like a million of these, and it's big. And yes, it can work, but I like the ones that are like tweezers. I don't know why, but that seems to work better for me. So this is the Lash Applicator, and yeah, it's like tweezers, so you can, you know, use it this way, and I like it. For some reason I like these ones a whole lot better. Okay, so you got that. I mean, everything just goes with each other. And then you got the Wildthang palettes, which I'm excited. I am. Let me show you what she looks like. She has a $21 value. The pans are really big too, and I'm loving that. Look at her, isn't she pretty? We've got some, and I love how the lettering is bigger. You're not like, oh, let me see, you know what that says. But yeah, I'm gonna get a close-up of these items for you, and then on my other channel, Swatch Investigator, I'll probably do full swatches. I like to do the unboxing videos for those of you that just want to see, you know, what's in it. You know, here it is, these are the items, and this is the value and cost, just in case, you know, you guys want to get it. And then get into a try-on video where you're actually trying everything out. So I want to do that for you. Now, let me know. We're going to do a real quick recap. So we've got the eyeshadow palette, which is gorgeous. And I did love the last one. The colors blended really good, and the pigment was there. So I'm assuming this will be the same. And then we got the mirror, the set of brushes. I like that there's a mixture of face and eye brushes. The liquid lip, the lash applicator, and the lashes. I really do. I love it. Okay, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I am super impressed with this brand and this company, and I cannot wait to try out all these items. So let me know if you've tried them yet, if you know who they are, if you don't know who they are, or if you're excited to see a box that is geared towards more makeup and not skincare. There's not one skincare item in here, so I'm loving that. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. I love you guys so very much. Definitely check out my other videos. I've got a lot going on here, and I've been sharing more with you guys, so I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!